You may never have heard of Pouding Chomeur, but it is a classic French-Canadian dessert which directly translates to unemployed man's pudding. The key ingredient to this dish is maple syrup. Of course, you can use regular syrup, but for an authentic Pouding Chomeur, you'll want to use the real stuff. Start by pouring 2 cups into your pot and add an equal amount of heavy cream. Turn the heat up to medium and stir to combine as it heats up without boiling. Set that aside, and in a separate bowl, we're pouring 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and an equal amount of unsalted butter. Combine the two using a whisk or an electric mixer. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by 2 eggs, which we're adding 1 at a time. Doing so will help our mixture emulsify better without separating. Once everything is combined, it's time to add a teaspoon of baking powder, followed by a pinch of salt and 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Use a rubber spatula to incorporate your dry ingredients, and you should have a very thick cake batter. Now you can transfer your batter into your baking dish or cake pan. Given its density, you may need to use your rubber spatula to spread it out. Given the rustic nature of this dish, don't worry too much about the presentation. Finally, it's time to bring back your maple syrup mixture, which you'll be pouring over your cake batter until it is almost fully submerged. Preheat your oven at 425 Fahrenheit, and in goes your Pouding Chomeur for 30 minutes. At which point you'll find that the maple syrup mixture has been absorbed by your batter. Use a skewer or toothpick to check that it's fully baked, and your Pouding Chomeur is ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe to Dish for more daily cooking videos.